The death of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg brings up a lot of questions in the waning weeks of this race for the White House.
Who will decide the balance of power on the country's highest court? One of the most polarizing legal topics on the docket right now is abortion.
News 5's Caroline Sweeney looks at how the next justice could play a pivotal role in deciding Ohio's heartbeat bill.
The death of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg throws the Supreme Court back into the center of the fight for the White House. In a year where traditional voter concerns have been overshadowed by COVID-19, abortion issues are coming to the forefront again.
Ohioans and Americans have deeply held beliefs on these issues.
Michael Gondiakis with the Ohio Right to Life says abortion is an issue polarizing enough to pull undecided voters toward candidates.
But if there are any unmotivated voters that might want to sit this one out, I think they're going to rethink that and go and vote for either of the two candidates.
I think undecided voters really need to look at what is important to them and who do they want making those decisions.
Kelly Copeland is the executive director of the abortion rights group NARAL Ohio. She says with the election already underway, moves made to appoint a new justice could sway voters.
Americans are incredibly principled and thoughtful people. And I think that they're going to look at this and understand what's at stake.
Now, there will be a trickle-down impact from the U.S. Supreme Court to moves made here in Ohio, especially on things like abortion legislation. Since 2011, conservative groups like Ohio Right to Life have been working on laws to restrict abortion in the state, centered around when a heartbeat is detected. With an open seat on the country's highest court,
Someday in the future, the heartbeat bill will be before the United States Supreme Court. So the makeup of the court matters tremendously.
Ohio is considered a swing state this election.
A core issue for a lot of those Ohioans really is the issue of abortion. Republicans are much clearer about the importance of court appointments in the Supreme Court than are Democrats.
Absentee mail-in voting and early in-person voting starts on October 6th. Polling shows a tight race between President Trump and former Vice President Joe Biden. Roe versus Wade isn't the only decision hanging in the balance of the court. Justices were also set to hear arguments over the Affordable Care Act. In Cleveland, Caroline Sweeney, News 5.